Did you know the powerful skin repairing ingredient PDRN, usually sourced from salmon DNA, now comes in a completely vegan version made from Korean wild ginseng? PDRN or polydeoxyribonucleotide is known to restore damaged skin, boost cell regeneration, and improve elasticity, basically helping your skin look healthy and youthful from within. And the VT-PDRN 100 essence contains a massive 100,000 ppm of low molecular ginseng derived PDRN designed to deeply hydrate, firm, and brighten your skin. So, I have been using it for a few weeks now, and here's everything you should know before buying it. So, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love skincare reviews that are honest and easy to understand, make sure to subscribe. Today I'm diving into this VT Vegan PDRN 100 Essence, a gentle yet powerful firming essence that promises smoother, brighter, and more elastic skin, all while being 100% plant based. So let's first talk about the packaging. The packaging looks sleek, modern, and premium classic VT aesthetics. It comes in a 30 ml metallic silver and teal pump bottle, which I personally love because it's hygienic and super easy to control the amount you use. The pump dispenses the perfect amount each time, and the design makes it feel clean and minimalist on your vanity. Now, let's move on to the texture, feel, and application of this essence. One thing that immediately stood out to me about VT PDRN 100 Essence is its texture. It's viscous, dense, and highly concentrated. You can literally feel that it's packed with nourishment. When you pump it out, it doesn't drip like a watery essence. It has that rich, cushiony consistency that glides across the skin so smoothly. The moment it touches your face, it feels deeply hydrating, like a surge of moisture sinking right in. Even though it's thick, it absorbs beautifully, leaving your skin feeling dewy, plump, and comforted, not sticky at all. I love that gentle tackiness right after application. It's the kind that makes your skin feel bouncy and well prepped for the next step, not heavy or greasy. And the best part, it's completely unscented. There's no overpowering ginseng or synthetic fragrance, which I really appreciate because many rich essences tend to have that herbal or perfume like scent that can be a bit too much. This one is calm, soothing, and perfect even if your skin is sensitive or reactive. Despite being made with ginseng derived PDRN concentrate, it's totally free from ginseng smell, so all you get is the benefits without any irritation. I also like pairing it with the VT Riedel Shot before applying this essence. The Riedel Shot gently preps the skin using micro needling spicules, which helps this essence penetrate even deeper and work more effectively. So, if you already use Riedel Shot in your routine, follow it up with the PDRN 100 essence. You will honestly notice a difference in how smooth and supple and luminous your skin feels afterward. I personally love this step because it gives my skin that glassy, healthy glow, the kind where you look in the mirror and it just feels balanced, hydrated, and resilient. It's one of those products where you can feel your skin getting better each day, not just look good for a few hours. Now let's move on to the ingredient list. This essence is packed with 100,000 ppm or 10% of low molecular weight Pinax ginseng root extract, the heart of their phyto-PDRN technology. Ginseng is packed with saponins and antioxidants that help energize the skin and improve elasticity. So it's not just vegan, it's also revitalizing ginseng derived PDRN. That's the star ingredient. Low molecular weight PDRN molecules are small enough to penetrate deeply, supporting skin repair and elasticity. Then it's enriched with the Cerazome Complex Plus, which has 5 different types of ceramides in it. These are ceramide NP, ceramide NS, ceramide AS, ceramide AP, and ceramide EOP. These mimic the natural lipids in our skin barrier, helping seal in hydration, smooth texture, and improve resilience, especially if your skin feels thin or compromised from actives. There's niacinamide for brightening and balancing sebum, adenosine to smooth fine lines. Together with hydrogenated lecithin and polyglucuronic acid, the formula strengthens your skin barrier and locks in moisture for that plump, bouncy glow. Panthenol and allantoin to calm irritation, and squalane for that silky, moisturized finish. It also has sunflower seed oil and Adansonia digitata seed oil that add nourishing omega fatty acids to maintain moisture. And the best part, it's free from artificial fragrances and harsh additives, so it's really gentle even on sensitive skin. After using the VT PDRN 100 Essence consistently for few weeks, I can honestly say that this one surprised me in the best way. The first thing I noticed was how instantly comforting it feels on my skin. My skin tends to get a little dehydrated and tight after cleansing, and the moment I apply this, it feels like a soothing layer that just hugs the skin with moisture. Because it's such a dense, concentrated essence, a single pump is usually enough for my entire face and neck. I like to warm it up between my palms first, then gently press it into my skin rather than rubbing. That really helps it absorb evenly and gives this beautiful dewy finish. I personally use it both morning and night, but how I layer it depends on my skin that day. In the morning, I use it right after my toner before my serum. It gives that smooth, hydrated base that makes sunscreen glide perfectly and makeup look more natural, like that subtle glass skin glow. And at nighttime, I use it a little differently. If I have used actives like retinol or exfoliating acids, I make sure to apply this essence right after to calm and restore my skin barrier. It's also amazing to pair with the VT Riddle shot. I use the Riddle shot first to create those tiny pathways and then follow with this essence to help all that PDRN and hydration sink in deeper. Now, what I love most is how it's non irritating, fragrance free, and very skin balancing. Even on days when my skin feels a bit sensitive, I can still reach for this without worrying about redness or tingling. It makes my skin feel plumper, more elastic, and nourished from within. Not just surface hydration, but like a deeper kind of health and bounce. After about 2 weeks, I started noticing that my skin looked more revived, even toned. That tired, dull look around my cheeks and jawline started to fade, and my overall texture felt smoother. It's like my skin just looks healthier. Even on no makeup days, I can see that soft radiance coming through. So for me, the VT PDR 100 Essence has become one of those products that I reach for without even thinking. It's that step in my routine that just makes everything else work better. Hydrating, strengthening, and prepping my skin so that serums and moisturizers can really do their job. When I started comparing the VT PDRN 100 Essence to other PDRN serums I have tried, I realized just how unique this one is. Most PDRN serums in the market use salmon DNA derived PDRN, which is amazing for repairing and regenerating the skin, but VT decided to take a completely different path. This essence contains a massive 100,000 ppm or 10% of vegan ginseng derived PDRN, making it one of the most concentrated and innovative PDRN formulas out there and completely plant based. Now let's look at how it compares with other PDRN serums. So the first one is Janabel PDRN Vita Toning Ampule. It has about 5000 ppm or 0.5% of PDRN. It's great for brightening and anti-aging and it combines PDRN with adenosine and tranexamic acid. But it feels more like a traditional serum, slightly tacky and heavier compared to VT's silky essence-like texture. So the next one is Enua PDRN Hyaluronic Acid Capsule 100 Serum. It has around 100 ppm or 0.01% of PDRN. It focuses more on hydration and barrier repair and it's super gentle, perfect for sensitive skin. But if you are looking for firming or deeper rejuvenation, this one feels milder compared to VT Essence. So the next famous PDRN serum is the Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. It has about 10,000 ppm or 1% of PDRN. It's designed for elasticity and anti-aging, pairing PDRN with peptides to tighten and lift the skin. It's more of a treatment serum, richer, denser, and great for nighttime repair, while VT feels lighter and more balanced for daily use. And last one is Rejuran Turnover Ampule, around 0.5% of 5000 ppm of PDRN. It's the OG when it comes to PDRN, one of the most trusted and clinically effective formulas in the industry. If I had to pick a favorite among the animal based PDRN products, it would definitely be Rejuran. It delivers visible results, especially in skin healing and regeneration, but it can feel a bit too intense or expensive for everyday use. Now, when you compare all that to VTPDR and 100 Essence, it truly stands out. It gives you the same skin restoring and firming benefits, but in a gentle, fragrance free, and vegan formula that's ideal for everyday use. And what makes it special for me is that it's derived from wild Korean ginseng, so it's not only more sustainable and cruelty free, but also rich in natural antioxidants that boost vitality and glow. You are basically getting the same science backed repair of traditional PDRN, just in a cleaner, more ethical form that feels amazing on the skin. That's why I personally love this essence. It's powerful yet calming, deeply nourishing but never heavy. It gives me that same elasticity and brightness I expect from high-end PDRN serums, just in a more skin-friendly and vegan way. So overall, after using the VT-PDRN 100 Essence for a few weeks, I can honestly say this has become one of my favorite discoveries this year. It's the kind of product that doesn't shout with instant results, but day by day your skin just starts to feel smoother, firmer, and more alive. There's this natural, healthy glow that builds over time, not shiny or greasy, just genuinely radiant skin that feels well nourished and hydrated from within. What I also appreciate is how gentle and non irritating it is. Even with that incredibly high 100,000 ppm of vegan PDRN, it never feels heavy or sticky. It hydrates deeply, strengthens my barrier, and leaves my skin plump. Perfect whether you have combination dry or slightly sensitive skin. If you are someone who loves the idea of PDRN technology but prefers a clean, vegan, and fragrance free option, this is such a great choice. And if you're already using VT's Riddle Shot, definitely try pairing the two. It really boosts the penetration and you will notice even better results in elasticity and glow. For me, this essence checks every box. High concentration, plant-based PDRN, deep hydration, and that luxurious dewy finish that just makes your skin look happy. So if you are rebuilding your skin barrier, recovering from dullness, or simply want that glass skin kind of radiance, I would absolutely recommend giving the VTPDRN 100 Essence a try. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you understand how unique this essence is and whether it's right for your routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite PDRN serum is. I love reading your experiences too. And if you are shopping from YesStyle, you can use my code SHALU1005 for little extra discount. It really helps support my channel so I can keep testing and reviewing new skincare for you guys. Until next time, take care, keep glowing, and I'll see you in my next video.